Have you ever been to a new city where you don't know the local language, don't know which place serves your favorite lasagna, and didn't plan your trip? Well, that's where the application Ruto will step in. It'll help the people who are in a new city to decide where to visit with the time they have in hand. First, we'll get the user's current location, and using this, we'll set a certain search radius within which the user can look for the type of places they want to visit. The app will then generate an itinerary for the user by analyzing the user's selections. We'll also show the shortest route possible that covers all the places so that the user doesn't waste time by taking a longer route. It'll be available as an Android application as well as a web app.
A lot of people who travel to new cities tend to avoid tour guides or taking help from travel agencies because it is tedious and expensive. Likewise, most of the navigation solutions available on the Play Store and the web are made to help daily commuters and hence contain a lot of information that might not be of use to tourists. So to address the issue, we came up with the idea of Ruto and created an app with a minimal user interface that will cater to the needs of people who are new to a city and are looking to explore places they like around them.
Our app and website will help the users in a new city to decide where to go with the time they have in hand. We'll first take the user's current location using the Google Maps API, and within a certain radius, they'll be able to search for places they'd like to visit, for example, shops, restaurants, monuments, etc. After that, the app will create an itinerary which will be based on the user's selection and will also generate the shortest route possible so that the users don't waste their time by taking a longer route. On the mobile version of the app, we'll also allow the users to book a cab so that they can travel hassle-free.
When we thought of this idea, we immediately headed over to the Play Store and looked for similar apps. We tried over 15 travel and itinerary apps and observed that there was no decent app that allowed tourists to create simple, editable itineraries along with being able to search for places. Most of the apps were either poorly designed or were not updated in recent time. We also observed that most of these apps skipped implementing routes in their service. And while doing some research in the fields of tourism, we got to know that by the year 2022, Southeast Asia is expected to attract around 115 million international tourists, generating $156 billion in foreign visitor spending. Why are we mentioning these stats? Well, because tourism is one of the most popular sectors, thanks to the changes brought about by the popularization and feasibility of the internet.
Let us now give you a demo of our mobile and web apps. On the mobile app, the users will have places suggested to them based on their current location after the login. They can either select the places from that list or search for particular locations which they might have in mind. For example, they can search for a restaurant, a hotel, a cafe, or even a specific chain like McDonald's, and if the places they select are available within a certain radius, they will be able to add them to the itinerary. On the mobile app, the users will be able to change this radius to their liking. They can also read more about a place like the rating, see the photos, or check the address, etc. just by clicking on it. All this was made possible by Google's Places API.
Well, what if you don't want to plan a whole trip and just want to quickly visit a place? That is why we have integrated Uber in our app. It allows the user to seamlessly book a cab, to pick them up from right where they are and take them to their place of interest. Our app also provides the user an option to create an itinerary with the place they have selected from the search screen. The mobile version of our app displays a preview of the itinerary where the users can rearrange and or remove a place if they change their mind. Once the user is satisfied with the itinerary, they can generate a route that covers all their selected places in the order they prefer. Our users also have an option to navigate using Google Maps on our mobile app.
In the future, we can work on adding some more functionalities such as we'll work on creating our own API so that we're not dependent on the Google Maps API. Then, we'll try to implement machine learning to recommend places to the user based on user preferences. Currently, the locations on the routes are in the order of selection, but using the Dijkstra algorithm, we'll let our app decide where to go first on the basis of distance.
With the help of our app and website, we believe that we can help tourists to plan their trips quickly and easily. Ruto will be one of the most cost-effective options for tourists to explore new places. We aim to provide the information necessary for the user in the most user-friendly way through our project.